Kain si Jessica ng malunggay. You like malunggay? Baby. Wow! Tapos na yang kumain. 1, 2, 3, smile. Inday ko.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Wow! What's up mga gwapo? Today is another day. Mag-iinga naman tayo dito sa ating tahanan, mga kaibigan ko, sa mga bago dito sa ating channel.
Hi, Tita!
Hi, titas! Para tayong sa mga bago dito sa ating tahanan, maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe sa aming channel. At sa mga dati pang nag-support sa aming channel, maraming salamat. Hi, titas! So, today is, magluluto ako guys ng sinabawang isda with kamunggay. Is for the peace. For the peace of the mame. Now, why is this one is here? Ito is towel to siya guys. Hindi na pala ako nagkukuan guys. Nagme-makeup. Wala akong kilay dyan. Para akong mga, ang aking kilay is parang upaw-upaw, no? It's better to be a natural beauty look. Ah! Are you my twin? Are you my twin? Huh?
You're kissing me.
Yes, I'm kissing you because I love you all the world. Maghuhugas ako ng plato guys kasi ang aming bahay parang don't kiss me my love. Maghuhugas akong plato kay. Ang bahay namin is super makalat. Yes, super duper makalat. Si Jennifer is nag-ano nga si Jennifer na? Naglalaro. Tapos doon sa sala namin. Grabe guys. Ang ingay-ingay. May cellphone, may TV. Ito pa, mayroon pang bata. Tapos, ayan, yung aking camera is ganyan lang siya. Malapit talaga sa aking mukha guys. Kaya nakakalimutan ni Mister ibigay sa akin yung stand. Minessage ko siya kanina. Sabi ko, nandyan ba yung stand sa camera ko? Sabi niya, oo daw, nandun sa upuan ng kanyang upuan. Nandun sa upuan ng kanyang sasakyan. Kasi si Mister nagdala ng maraming basura. So, let's do the day. Take care kayong lahat guys ha. Pagpatuloy natin yung ating buhay no na always safe and happy because today is another day. Ay, anak itong kuano kada. Ang intro, gusto ko yung intro. What's up mga gwapo? It's a Lawless Family Superhero. Can you do it?
Superhero.
Anak, what's up Lawless Family? Agay. Okay, what you gonna tell to your titas? Today, titas, I will hagpat the kalamunggay. I will help my mommy is the hagpat the kalamunggay and I will fix my hair in the later na na imong buhok. Oy, it's okay. Kulot. Hi, titas. Jessica's helping. Mommy doing the malunggay. Our table is so messy nako.
Yeah.
Nga, hagpat pa more. Yan, bata naghahagpat ng malunggay. Oh, tignan nyo yung result. Tumutulong yan siya always guys sa akin. Pag meron akong gagawin, ganyan yan siya. So, binigyan ko siya ng malunggay kasi magsasabaw ako. It's not yet done. There's still more, see? Ito Like to help mommy, di ay? Lang?
Yeah.
You have to help mommy?
Done.
Is it?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Allah. Ano na yung ginagawa mo na? Sige na kaya I will get Jennifer.
It's just gonna help you.
Okay, it's gonna help me. Don't, sige, do it slowly, like that, see? Good job. Other side.
Other side.
Kain tayo guys, meron tayong rice, fish, at sinabaw na isda, at tuyo suka na sausawan, tapos juice. You wanna eat? What did you eat? Why you're so Messi man lagi. You wanna eat? Sinabawan?
No, I do it.
Yeah, okay. You wanna eat?
No, I do it.
Okay, you do it. Dire be. Wipe it kay it's so dirty na. What are we having, Jessica?
Rice, fish, and leaf.
Leaf. Rice, fish, and leaf, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tignan nyo yung lamesa namin, guys. Oh, grabe ang
Oh,
kalat.
juice.
Juice.
I taste it.
Kain si Jessica ng malunggay. You like malunggay? Ito naman ang isa dito ay audience. Naka-seatbelt na. Uy, alak ka. Naluag man. Let's get the thing for her so that she won't fall. Ay, si. Say hi, titas. Hi, titas. I'll just put this one.
It's on the floor.
What's wrong?
No more juice.
Do you?
Yeah.
Here you go. Safe. Safe, baby. Wow. Tapos na yang
No
kumain.
more juice. Yeah.
What's that?
It's Daddy.
Is it? Are you sure?
It's awake now.
What?
It's awake.
Who's awake?
Sleep again. Why cat's clapping?
Who's clapping?
That one cat. Why cat's clapping his hand?
I don't know.
Why cat's clapping his hand?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah. Daddy, who's that? Who's that? Ay, Daddy is locked. I don't know why it's locked.
Not funny.
Huh? I did not lock it.
Huh?
I did not lock it.
Who did it then?
I think when someone send the parcel, Jennifer si pa, si Jennifer. No. Lulu. Agoy, no, Shilba. Okay, ma-hurt man imong sister. Do you want your sister be hurt?
Yeah.
Yaka karon. Kontrabidam ni
Mommy
Sinday.
want to sing.
Sing dayan.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Isabel, giputos
No.
og papel.
Ring.
Gipusel-pusel.
No ring.
Jingle bell. Isabel.
No ring.
Oh, ring. Ring-a bell, ringle all the way, ring, ring-a bell, ring.
No ring. No, that.
What?
I want to ring.
Not funny. Lumabas na naman siya, oh. Jessica! Where's your sleeper? Tignan niyo siya, guys. Oh, lumabas. Ang bata. Saan na yun? Jessica! Magluluto ako ng beef. Kay namili si Mr. guys.
I'm a ding dong.
Stick.
What you got?
Daddy's buy something for you. Look,
What's that?
that's
I'm gonna
yours.
get the garden and blow job.
What?
Daddy, you got the blow job. What did you do?
See? I told you. Look at that, honey. It's so thick.
Let's see if this machine does anything or not.
What you need to do?
Let's have a look.
Is that like vacuum?
Yeah, but it blows. I just want to see if I can blow them all off the trees back over that way.
Oh.
But we'll see.
Oh no. Oh no, look at that. Maybe the baby's sleeping. my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Nak, close the door, Nak. Oh my gosh. Nagluluto ako ng broccoli, tapos dito is steak. At yan is patatas. Ating pakuluan. Ito sila lahat. Kasi gutom na daw si Mister. Grabe ba? Tatlo talaga, oh. Nantay ko na lumamig kay grabe ang init kanina, oy. Ganyan na pala yung lutuan namin, guys. Medyo matanda na siya. Nagbubukal-bukal yung patatas, oh. Akala ko ito is kamote. Yung kulay niya is purple. Hindi pala, patatas pala siya. Tignan nyo yung dalawa, guys, oh. Diba, magkakulay sila sa kanyang tatay. Nag-aano yan sila ng bird food. Naglalagay. Para kung kumakanta, no? Kain. Wala nang laman aking plato, guys. Tignan nyo. Parang kinuramos. Kanina, super busy na ako. Kaya ngayon pa lang ako nakabalik. Nandito ako kasi mag-iilis ako aning nanggigigil ako kay Jennifer. Iilis akong bibi. Isumalay. Wala dito ang ating wet wipes, guys. Iwan ko kung saan. Itong wet wipes ko ba? Problema talaga ito na kasi lumilipad. Problema talaga itong wet wipes na lumilipad kung saan. What you do? What you do? Where you go? Where you go? Hey, so nice. Iwan ko ba, guys, no? Pag anak natin, nanggigigil talaga tayo. Ang sarap yung sarap ganun-ganunin, guys. Oh. Kasi, umuulan dito, guys. Mister at si Jessica is natutulog. Nandun sila sa baba. Kaya ako nag-vlog-vlog dito. Kasi itong isa, kasama ko dito, ayaw niya matulog. What's going on? Pag 8:30 na, or 9, yan yung routine ni Jennifer. Matutulog na yan siya mamaya, guys. Pero, I think parang, ano pa, super maliwanag pa dito, guys. Ay, iwan ko ano ng oras na ngayon. Baka 7 o'clock na dito sa gabi. Ito, bihisan ko muna itong ito. Kita nyo yan, guys? Kita nyo to? Bakit ang puti-puti? Puti man ito sa lighting. Ay! Super overwhelmed si Mister. Ang saya-saya niya kasi sabi niya sa akin mga pag mayroon daw magbasa kanya, hindi ko daw sasabihin. As usual, wala na naman akong nababasang mga bash at pag meron man, hindi ko na lang din i-mind kasi yun yung promise ko sa inyo, di ba, guys? Good vibes lang tayo dito. At itong bata dito, guys, ilisan ko muna ito, okay? Sabi niya, I'm waiting for you, mommy. I'm the waiting. Si Jessica, magigising na yun mamaya. Kakatapos lang namin kumain, guys. Nagbili si Mister ng manok at saka ano nga yun? Chicken. Manok at saka chicken. Bihisan ko. But before to siya matulog, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mukha ng aking batang kuan. Oh, nangangagat, guys. Nangangagat. Kung saan-saan lang niya akong inangat-ngat ng sakit-sakit ng aking kamay. Meron naman siyang teeter. Ay, hindi man siya maglalaro sa iyang teeter. Oy, kay mangangagat man siya sa akin. Na. Kinikit-kit-kit niya yung pinapakpaak. Ano nga yun? Magkakagat-kagat siya kung saan-saan, guys. Buti na lang, hindi itong ilong kong pinagkakamalan niyang teeter, no? Kala siguro, Jennifer, na teeter yung aking kamay. Kaya parang kahoy yung kulay na sumisi. Inday buladaday. Oy, gigil jud ko, guys. Gigil jud ako, guys, sa kanya, guys. Oh. Oh. Ganito na ganito ako talaga kay Jessica dat. Bihisan ko muna to kay mag 15 minutes na naman yung chismis ko diyan mamaya, guys. Bihis muna tayo, nak na. Oh, don't turn around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit sick in the turn around is flying on. Is every now and then guys, hinaan nyo yung volume kay baka magsasakit yung tinga sa akin. Baka maglilinog dyan sa Philippines and all over the world naman. Magrinig itong kanta ko na tignan nyo. Baliktad yung imong napi, day. Baliktad ang napi ni Inday Jennifer. Siya naman hirap-hirap nang i-pronounce ng pangalan sa aking mga anak. Merong Jennifer, merong Jessica. So, pwede na lang kuhan ka ng Inday Badiday at saka Kurdapya. No? Kurdapya. Guys, kung mag-comment kayo, tawagin niyo akong Cordapia. Kaya gusto ko Cordapia. Cordapia Pislat. Ilan. Madalian natin to na kay zero. Come here. And she's, wala siyang headdress. Para siyang lalaki na naman. She's done. Show titas that you're standing, babe. She's done. Uy, sobra puti manis camera. Wait sa. Kaya nag-adjust na naman yung ating camera na. Oh, burp. Good job. 1, 2, 3. She's done. Yay! Like a baby boy. Hindi ko siya always na headdress, guys, kasi naawa man ako kay natatanggal man yung kanyang buhok ay para na kanyang mami na uupaw ni mami mo na kung ano yung upaw sa Tagalog. Ano gayong upaw sa Tagalog na nakakalbo na kaming Jennifer nito. Siya, titas. 1, 2, 3. Look at me, titas. I'm very strong. Stand up! Praise the guys! Stand up yung body! Ding. Puntahan ko muna si Jessica, guys, ha? Kasi, hi sa kang titas, oh. Hello, titas at titos. Kamustitas? Kamustitos? Ang paratotot. Serious man siya. Like the daddy is the serious, is the baby. 6 months, 6 months ng bata. Yan ni si Inday Kulot. Ay, gising na si What are you doing? 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Inday Kulot. Jessica, kulot. Jessica.
Now one jingle bell.
Sige, sing a song. Sit down properly, sing a song, Jingle Bell.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. On a farm, hot to go around the sleigh. Hey!
Dashing through the snow. And one horse open.
Sleigh.
All the fields we
Go!
laughing all the way. Nana bada.
Bada.
Ring.
No wing.
Ring, making spirit
Making spirit
bright.
bright.
What fun is it to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight? Hey!
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. On a farm, hot to go, wander the sleigh. Hey! Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to...
The sleigh. Hey! Water spirit
Bright.
bright.
Kubot buhok man ni, oy. Oh, mapakog. Pakog ni si Inday. You say hi friends, let's play.
Hi friends, play.
Titas are playing.
Titas are playing. Didi, I like it.
What's wrong? Maning bata na mo crying man eh. Sleepy? Are you sleepy? Oh, so guyuy. Ganyan yan siya pag sleepy, oh. Oh, kailangan na natin mag-music ng blower so that Jennifer will sleep. Hey, are you sleepy? Oh, you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Ting tididing, ting tididing, ting tididing, ting tididing. What's wrong? Wow, they're sitting down.
Yeah.
Jennifer, are you sleepy? Inaantok na to siya, guys, kasi kanina pa to, walang tulog. Oh, tignan niyo siya, oh. Tumitingin sa akin, oh. Say hi, tita and titos. Tumitingin ka sa iyong mami na, ha? Bakit ikaw tumitingin sa akin, Inday? Badaday? Ang batang inaantok. Wala man itong buhok. Alam nyo yung curve niya, guys? Nakuha niya yan sa kanyang tatay ito. Yung parang curve na parang dinilaan ng baka. Ito ay. Yan, the wave. The wave from daddy. Nagwa naman ito sa daddy niya. Where, who's stuck? Oh no. Di ba niya? Oh, nangangagat. Oh, na parang rabbit. Agay. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Oh, na parang rabbit. Mayroon yan siyang teeter. Ito ay.
Mommy.
Hello. Pero, hindi siya masyadong naglalaro. You look like a boy, maninanak. Uy, ulog siya. Asigyod, si Inday. Ganyan siya ka-addict sa libro, guys. Yung mga libro niya, dito lahat nakaligpit. Bigay ito sa kanyang mga tita. Yung iba, nang dito lahat.
I like that.
You like that?
I'll just want that one.
Ito, guys, itabi niyo sa kama. Magtabi kayo ng parang 5 libro sa kama. Hindi niya matutulog niyan. Pag hindi yan natapos lahat. Nilagay ko siya dito, tapos ilalagay ko siya pabalik sa baba ng kanyang kama. Kasi, oh, tignan nyo. That's a song, Nak. My book, it's a song. See the wheels on the bus. Run. Row your boat. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily.
Mommy,
Ring around a rose is a pocket full of boots. Put it up, it's you at this you. Yan o, naglalaro siya, guys. 10 o'clock na, guys. Hala, umiiyak si Jennifer. Guys, binihisan ko na ito siya. Pero tingnan nyo, gising pa, oh. Gising pa. At alam nyo yung ginawa niya sa akin?
Yeah.
Ina-drawing ako ng ahat, guys. Tignan nyo na.
Mommy, need nose.
Yes, naging artist yung mommy.
Need nose.
Snowman daw, guys. Para naman itong mga
Mommy's need nose.
nose.
Yeah.
She got nose here. Yan, oh, snowman. Magod na.
It's a nose now, Mommy. It's for hold it.
What's that?
For hold it, Mommy.
Lawa man ni siya plano matulog siguro.
Mommy.
Nak, it's 10 o'clock now. You need to sleep.
But I want to play.
You want
Mommy.
play?
Let's draw that.
What? What's that?
I just want to draw that.
What's that? Guys, good night. Guys, matutulog na ako. Grabe, ang antok-antok ko na, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our video for today. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless us all. Salamat ng marami sa support. Bye.